Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rotate a diagram in Draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is just click on the diagram you want to rotate, and then here on the right hand panel, if you had it locked, then you need to unlock it first. So click here on lock/unlock, and the shortcut is Control+L. So now that we have it unlocked, we're able to rotate it. So here on the right hand panel under arrange, you'll see angle. So you can rotate it by a certain angle just by putting that in. Or what you can also do, you'll see this icon right here. This is the rotate icon. Okay. I want you to just click on hold, and then you can rotate it. And at the bottom there, you can see the amount of degrees you're rotating it by. So that is minus 45 degrees. I'll leave it at that. So there you go. As you can see right there, that is how you rotate a diagram in Draw.io.